So basically, I'm trying to fix a meal that is Italian. So I'm simultaneously going to be doing everything. I'm trying to fix a soup here first, and then the pasta which I've already cooked. I've chopped some herbs and kept here. I plan to make a white sauce with spinach and mushroom and chicken. Let's start. Now I put the carrots and the tomatoes on the gas for cooking, and then we'll wait till that is ready. Now I'm making the white sauce with the chicken, mushroom, and spinach. And I'm just going to add one blob of butter and let it melt. So here are some jalapenos I put on the butter. And now here's some rosemary, some basil, and some parsley. So that's all the herbs that have gone in. I'm just going to saute this for a while. To this, I'm going to add the chicken, which I have cut. So now the chicken is cooking. I'm going to add some mushrooms, which I have cut, and a little bit of spinach. Wait till all this comes together. I've used wheat flour, and I'm just going to make a little paste. Adding salt to this now. Some water. Adding some black pepper to this. Once it comes to a boil, then we'll add the flour to just thicken it. That is made. So we are going to have two different sauces with the pasta. To this, I'm just going to add the flour and just let this thicken. Wee bit of sugar, not much, just a little bit. A little milk. We have the white sauce which is ready and done. To basically take out the tomato ka peels, okay? I don't have anything to mash it. Preparing for some very special aubergines. Just need your olive oil to this. Chopped garlic. Add the onions. Balsamic vinegar and salt. I'll add the mince. This is the carrot and orange soup. To this I've added some water, some butter, and now I put it on low flame for it to boil. Some coriander. This is some pepper and some salt. Now I'm going to just let this boil now for some time. Drain out all the water and let it like become nearly dry. These aubergines which I have cut like this. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little salt on it and just leave it. So now I'm going to fill in this mince very carefully into each one of these. Yeah. So one by one, every circle I'm going to put it in. Into those little gaps. Every gap you just add it. Looks like this. They're nearly done. There's just one last bit left. We'll just grate some cheese and top it, and then we put it in the oven. The jeans are now in the oven, and we have put it on a bake mode for 20 minutes, and we'll see once they are done. A soup here, tomato, carrot, and coriander sauce with chicken, mushroom, and spinach. Pesto made out of the basil that we've plucked from our farm. Aubergines with a mince filling and cheese on top. Okay.
Really, really nice and soothing and very tasty.
It's absolutely beautiful. This beautiful evening. Beautiful soup. It's very light. It's very tangy. It's right for the weather.